guys, welcome to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make a delicious movie snack called Parmesan Parsley Popcorn. We hope you enjoy this episode. The ingredients are 1 bag of salted popcorn, a small handful of grated Parmesan cheese, about 20 grams of butter, 1 clove of garlic which I chopped up roughly, and a good handful of parsley. First of all, I'm going to chop up the parsley very fine. There we go. Take a pan and put it on a low fire. Add the butter. Now let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, add the chopped garlic and also some stems you had left from the parsley. Now give it a good stir and let this all infuse the butter on a low fire for at least 5 minutes. The longer, of course, the better. In the meanwhile, pop your popcorn. That's done. Now take it out of the microwave. Shake the bag. Dump the popcorn in a mixing bowl. Yes.
No.
Hey. So the butter is done and now I'm going to take out the parsley and the garlic. It smells really good. Now let's move on to the next step. So first of all, I'm going to pour the butter over the popcorn. Now I'm going to sprinkle the parsley over it. Already looks delicious like this. And finally finish off with the cheese. Like that. And now we're just going to stir everything up to make sure that all of the popcorn is covered with all of the ingredients. Now do make sure that immediately after you made it, start eating it, because else the popcorn might become a bit soggy because of the butter and you still want that nice crunch. Time for a taste test! Right, let's have a bite. This is really so delicious. Normally, I'm not really a big fan of salted popcorn because, you know, it gets kind of old quickly and I get sick of the flavor. But this has so many like different flavors and a very nice taste to it. So I could imagine myself eating this entire bowl by myself. Well guys, thank you again for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!